Show me your stretchiest fidget. Show me your first DIY fidget. Show me your newest mochi. Show me your grossest fidget. Show me your loudest DIY fidget. Show me a fidget that you're not so sure that's a fidget. Show me a fidget that you cut open. I cut the net of this. Show me your weirdest fidget. Show me your favorite mochi. Show me your loudest fidget. Show me a fidget that you just got because you traded. Show me your favorite fidget. Show me a fidget that your siblings gave you. Show me a fidget that you have doubles of. Show me your hardest fidget to solve. And last but not least, show me that you just got. Bye. Need to go.